Reading Pioneers is proud to present Everyone's Home, written by Tatiana Handfield, Keisha Handfield, and Altricia Robinson. Today is an exciting day for Meka. Why? Everyone's home. Mummy is at home reading a book. Daddy's at home cooking his favorite dish. Sister's at home all day on her phone. What is Meka doing? She is wondering what she will do now that everyone's home. Everyone's home for 21 days. What can Meka and her family do together for 21 days? Meka thinks and thinks and thinks. On day 1, they can read a big book of stories together. On day 2, they can cook a delicious meal together. On day 3, they can play video games together. On day 4, they can exercise together. On day 5, they can paint a picture together. On day 6, they can bake a cake. On day 7, they can sing happy songs. That would be such a fun week together. On day 8, they can plant a garden with yummy fruits and vegetables. On day 9, they can weave a straw basket. On day 10, they can clean the house together. On day 11, they can do word search puzzles. On day 12, they can wash the puppies. On day 13, they can make unicorn candy. On day 14, they can rest. Everyone will be really tired. On days 15 and 16, they can check the garden for new fruits and vegetables. On day 17, they can write all the reasons why they are grateful. On day 18, they can have a fashion show. On days 19 and 20, they can prepare for the new week ahead. And on day 21, they can say hello to friends and family near and far, but they must not get too close. Meka is happy because everyone's home. Thank you, readers, for joining us today with the story Everyone's Home. This cute and well-illustrated story tells about how a family can do a lot of things together. During the holidays, not every family gets this opportunity, but I wanted to read this book for you guys because I think it teaches an important lesson about togetherness and family time. If you like this book and want to support the authors who gave me permission to read their book on this channel, you can click the links in the description box down below to get yourself a copy and share it with your friends and family. It would also be great if you comment below your thoughts of the book or suggestions for future read-alouds. If you liked the book, click that thumbs up button to show some love for everyone's home. And you could even subscribe to this channel to be updated on all future read-alouds being published every week. I have had requests to read various books, and if you would like me to read your book, then please send me an email. contact@readingpioneers.com, and hopefully we can work together to turn your book into a read-aloud. As you're waiting for the next story, you can click on the left video to see a list of our growing library, and the video on the right is another read-aloud I think you'll enjoy. However, this is all the time we have for today's video, so thanks again readers for following along, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.